Hello, my dear friends. I am Dr. Satish Yograj. Welcome to my channel Satya Yoga Healing Center. Today, I shall be diving into a very essential topic of why should we balance career, material gains, personal growth, and our health. In the hustle and bustle of today's fast-paced world, finding this balance is the key to unlocking comprehensive and true happiness and success. As a life coach and yoga guru, I am excited to share with you the importance of harmonizing your career, material gains, personal growth, and health. Join me on this transformative journey as we explore practical strategies to navigate the challenges of today's fast-paced world and thrive in our holistic well-being. Let's dive in and together create a life that aligns with our deepest aspirations. Friends, please watch this video till the end, and I am very confident that it will totally reset your brain and motivate you for the journey to a complete transformation of your life. Friends, I hope you all understand a little bit this crucial aspect of bringing balance in our lives. This balance in career, personal growth, and health involves smartly managing these aspects of our life in a harmonious way. It means not overly prioritizing one at the expense of the others. Striking a balance includes setting realistic career goals, fostering personal development, and prioritizing physical and mental well-being. It is all about maintaining equilibrium to ensure overall life satisfaction and sustained health in both physical and mental aspects. So friends, before I discuss about the practical strategies to bring this balance, question arises: why is this balance so crucial for comprehensive satisfaction in today's fast-paced, stressful time? Modern society often emphasizes speed and constant activity, leading many to pursue a fast-paced lifestyle without a clear purpose. This relentless pursuit of busyness has resulted in a lack of fulfillment and meaningful accomplishment. The pressure to succeed in one's career often drives individuals to invest excessive time and energy, leaving little room for personal growth or self-care. Moreover, the digital age has introduced an era of constant connectivity, blurring the boundaries between work and personal life. This continuous engagement disrupts the equilibrium necessary for maintaining good physical and mental health. As individuals strive to keep up with demanding schedules, they often neglect the crucial aspect of finding a balance between career, personal growth, and overall well-being. So, overemphasizing one aspect at the expense of others often leads to so much suffering in our life. Focusing just on career without nurturing personal growth or health has been leading to burnout, affecting job performance and overall well-being. A lack of balance further decreases overall productivity and work output, as burnout and health issues hinder one's ability to perform at their best. This also leads to stagnation. Without continuous learning and self-improvement, people often feel stuck in their abilities and knowledge, hindering professional and personal growth. This imbalance diminishes overall well-being. Stress from an imbalanced career, very high in practical goal setting, and high material desires adversely impacts physical health in various ways. Due to insufficient time allotment, there is a lack of attention to self-care, resulting in unhealthy life choices such as inadequate exercise, poor nutrition, and insufficient sleep. This is responsible for various irreversible and chronic health problems over time, which causes unending suffering and regrets in later life. Various chronic health problems which result due to this neglect are obesity, hypertension, and heart disease, resulting from factors like poor diet, lack of exercise, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption. Type 2 diabetes, resulting from unhealthy eating habits, sedentary lifestyle, and obesity, strokes or brain attacks resulting from increased risk due to high blood pressure, smoking, and poor diet. Lung diseases such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease are a result of smoking and exposure to pollutants. Certain cancers resulting from unhealthy behaviors like smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and poor diet. Liver diseases like cirrhosis result from excessive alcohol intake and poor diet. Osteoporosis or fragile bones are due to lack of physical activity and poor nutrition. Digestive disorders like obesity, irritable bowel syndrome, and gastroesophageal reflux disease resulting from unhealthy eating habits. Chronic kidney disease is a result of long-standing high blood pressure, diabetes, and poor lifestyle choices. Friends, this imbalance results in chronic stress, unhealthy coping mechanisms, and poor mental habits, which gives rise to mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. Ignoring personal growth for the sake of material success leads to a sense of emptiness, stagnation, or unfulfillment and dissatisfaction. While material success may provide temporary comfort, neglecting personal development results in strained relationships and unfulfilling experiences. The pursuit of mindless material goals consume a lot of time and energy, leaving little room for emotional connection and shared experiences. This leads to the emotional toll of stress and dissatisfaction, resulting in a sense of neglect, communication breakdown, and an overall disconnect with loved ones, potentially eroding the quality of relationships and causing emotional distress for both parties involved. Friends, there is a statement of great relevance in today's fast-paced time: short-term success and long-term regret. Friends, prioritizing career and material success at the cost of health and personal growth leads to regrets later in life when the consequences of neglect becomes more apparent. If you have been limiting opportunities for self-improvement, learning, and fulfillment outside of the professional commitment, you have what is called as stunted personal development. It limits our sense of adaptability. Personal development fosters adaptability and resilience and broadens perspective and deepens understanding. Without it, our perspective in life becomes shallow and navigating life changes or unexpected challenges becomes more difficult, leading to regrets about missed opportunities for growth. Neglecting personal development results in regrets later in life for not having explored and pursued passions or hobbies that could have brought much joy and fulfillment. Personal growth often contributes to making a positive impact on others and the community. Neglecting this aspect often leads to regrets about not having left behind a meaningful legacy. Due to neglect of personal growth, there is so often an existential crisis leading to regrets later on for not having lived a more purposeful and a meaningful life. So friends, balancing career and material pursuits with personal development activities is so crucial to minimizing these potential long-term regrets and ensuring a more holistic and a satisfying life journey. For this, you start putting in sincere efforts in bringing this balance as early as possible, as with this, you will begin your journey towards a more harmonious, purposeful, and a meaningful life. I will discuss now how proactively addressing this balance between career, personal growth, and health early in life contributes to long-term well-being and more sustainable and fulfilling life. Early adulthood is a formative period for establishing habits. Prioritizing balance from the beginning allows individuals to cultivate healthy habits that contribute to a long-term well-being. Starting early allows you to establish and reinforce healthy habits. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindful practices can become ingrained behaviors that supports your overall well-being. Bring balance and prevent burnout. Proactively addressing balance reduces the risk of burnout. Addressing stress and workload issues early on can safeguard your mental and physical health in the longer run. Bring balance and enhance your adaptability. Friends, life is dynamic and being able to navigate changes in career, personal life, or health becomes more easier with a foundation of balance. Balancing multiple aspects of life early on builds resilience. Life inevitably presents challenges, and developing resilience early prepares individuals to navigate setbacks with greater strength. When faced with challenges, a well-rounded approach allows you to bounce back more effectively. A balanced life positively impacts performance in daily life. Prioritizing mental and physical health enhances cognitive function, productivity, and overall performance in both personal and professional endeavors. Prioritizing this balance promotes career growth and satisfaction. Pursuing personal development activities alongside professional responsibilities can lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful career. A well-rounded approach to life promotes continuous learning and personal growth. This early commitment to growth facilitates ongoing development and adaptability to changing circumstances. A balanced lifestyle enhances decision-making skills. When individuals are mentally and physically well, they are better equipped to make informed and thoughtful decisions in various aspects of life. A balanced lifestyle creates sustainable success. Balancing career, personal growth, and health contributes to a more sustainable and fulfilling definition of success. Balancing personal growth and health brings fulfillment in relationships. Individuals who prioritize well-being are more likely to engage in fulfilling relationships and contribute positively to their social roles. When you are personally fulfilled and healthy, you are better equipped to build and maintain meaningful connections with others. Establish clear boundaries between work and personal time, and be mindful of work encroaching on personal hours. Friends, to work on this, remember a few important tips. Avoid excessive overtime and being mindful of your work encroaching on personal hours. Define and set specific work hours and stick to them consistently. Communicate these hours to colleagues and ensure that they respect your designated work time. Designate a specific area for work, preferably separate from personal spaces. This helps create a physical boundary between work and leisure. During non-work hours, silence or turn off notifications related to work emails or messages. This reduces the temptation to engage in work activities during your personal time. Establish clear end-of-day rituals. Develop routines that signal the end of work day, such as shutting down your computer or reviewing your to-do list for next day. This helps mentally for transition from work to personal time. Clearly communicate your availability and boundaries to your colleagues. Be assertive about your personal time without compromising professionalism. Prioritize personal commitments. Treat personal appointments and commitments with the same level of importance as work-related ones. This reinforces the value of personal time. Friends, avoid overcommitting to work tasks that encroach on personal time. Politely decline additional work if it interferes with your established boundaries. Utilize technology mindfully. If possible, turn off work-related devices or switch to a separate personal device during non-work hours. This reduces the temptation to check work-related matters. Consistently enforcing these practices will establish clear boundaries between work and personal time, fostering a healthier work-life balance. A balanced life significantly nourishes mental health. Proactively managing mental health early on contributes to a healthier mind. Practices such as mindfulness, stress management, and seeking support when needed fosters positive mental well-being. A balanced life works towards setting a positive example. Prioritizing balance sets a positive example for others, including peers, colleagues, and future generations. It contributes to a cultural shift towards healthier perspectives on success and well-being. Early commitment to balance reduces the likelihood of regrets later in life. Individuals who prioritize a well-rounded life are less likely to look back with remorse about neglecting important aspects of their well-being. Taking a proactive approach prevents potential regrets. Regrets often arise from neglecting crucial aspects of life, and starting early minimizes the chances of looking back with remorse. Friends, balancing career, personal growth and health contributes to a more purposeful and intentional life. Aligning your actions with your values and goals helps create a life that is meaningful to you. Achieving a balance between career, personal growth, and health contributes to a sense of fulfillment and life satisfaction. Friends, in this video, till now, I have talked in clear words why and how to bring balance between career, personal growth, and health. But this can be challenging for many of us due to competing demands and priorities. People often feel overwhelmed, leading to a perception of having no time. People commonly express complaints like, "I don't have enough time," "My schedule is too hectic," or "It is hard to find a work-life balance." But friends, bringing balance to career, personal growth, and physical and mental health early in life sets the foundation for a healthier, more fulfilling, and a purpose-driven existence. It contributes to a lifelong journey of well-being, success, and continuous personal development. Here, let me tell you, prioritizing an effective time management is very crucial to strike a balance. Schedule specific slots for personal development activities, prioritize them, and stick to the plan. Identify and prioritize personal development goals alongside career objectives. Focus on what truly matters. Establish realistic and achievable work goals within your designated work hours. This reduces the likelihood of needing to extend your workday into personal time to meet deadlines. Schedule dedicated time slots for personal development in your calendar. Treat them as non-negotiable appointments. Delegate tasks when possible to create space for personal development without compromising work efficiency. Learn to say no when necessary to avoid overcommitting. Overcommitting leads to burnout and hinders personal development. Prioritize tasks based on importance and impact. Regularly reassess and adjust your schedule to ensure a healthy balance. Adopt and ensure continuous learning. Integrate learning into your routine, such as listening to educational podcasts during commute or reading during breaks. Learn the art of multitasking with purpose. If possible, combine activities. For instance, listen to educational content while exercising or use breaks for brief mindfulness exercises. Avoid procrastination. Identify tasks when you tend to postpone and address the underlying causes. Break large tasks into smaller and more manageable steps. Friends, another very important step in this journey of balance and harmonious growth in life is to eliminate time wasters. Identify and minimize activities that consume time without contributing significantly to your career or personal growth. Restrict excessive social media. Limit time spent on social platforms. Set specific periods for checking updates. Be mindful of aimless internet browsing. Set specific time limits for online activities. Schedule specific times for checking and responding to emails to prevent constant interruptions throughout the day. Avoid mindless television or gaming. Friends, while entertainment is important, excessive screen time can consume valuable hours. Set limits and allocate time purposefully. Regularly reassess and redefine your goals. Without clear objectives, time can be wasted on activities that don't align with your personal or career growth. Maintain a tidy workspace to enhance focus and efficiency. Clutter and disorganization can waste sufficient time. Periodically reflect on and assess your time management. Adjust priorities as needed to align with evolving personal and career goals. Adjusting these behaviors can significantly enhance your productivity and personal development. Remember, effective time management requires ongoing adaptation. Regularly assess and refine your approach to maintain a sustainable balance. So friends, while concluding this talk, I will emphatically say that balancing career, material gains, personal growth, and health is key to a holistic lifestyle. Prioritize time management, set achievable goals, invest in continuous learning, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Cultivate mindfulness, exercise regularly, and nurture positive relationships. Strive for financial stability while recognizing the importance of personal development. Achieving equilibrium in these aspects contributes to a fulfilling and well-rounded life. Thank you for listening. God bless you all.